everyone, it's Mary Kay here. Today I'm going to show you how to double crochet 2 rows at once. This will save you a lot of time. Keep watching. Start with the chain of the number of stitches you want and then add 4. Yarn over, skip the first chain, insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over and pull through a loop. But don't finish the double crochet yet. Instead, yarn over, skip another loop, and go into the one right after that. Pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Now let's locate the strands that you will be using for your next stitch. From the top, skip the first 2 bars and locate the middle 2 bars. Yarn over, insert your hook into those 2 bars, pull up a loop. Yarn over again, and insert your hook into the next chain. Pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Locate the middle 2 bars. Yarn over, insert your hook into those 2 bars. Pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain. Pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Let's watch a couple more. Continue until you get to the end of the row. At the end of the row, you can clearly see 2 rows of double crochets. They are front facing. If you turn your work over, you can see what it looks like with back facing stitches. If you want all your stitches to face forward, then tie off this color and I'll show you how to add a new color. I skipped ahead because I realized I had forgotten to show you where to attach a new color. Use the last chain from the previous color, not the top chain. If you use the top chain, you'll delete a stitch. Put a slip knot in your new color. Then insert your hook into the last chain. Pull the slip knot through. Then chain 4. Yarn over, skip the first chain, go into the second one. Pull up a loop, then yarn over. Hold the tail in the back so you don't have to weave it in later. Insert your hook into the next stitch on the chain, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Then finish the row just like you did before. Continue adding new colors or the same color until you get the length that you want for your project. This is how it looks after several rows and color changes. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. See you next time.